Hello crafty friends, how are you? I do hope you're well. I have to make a bracelet and I thought I would do it with you. These are just a basic 8mm glass pearl beads. I've got some 8mm. Now these are mixed colour rhinestone spacer beads, but I'm just going to be using the blue. I've got 2 crimp beads, 2 6mm jump rings, a lobster clasp, and I've got 2 crimp bead covers. People don't seem to use the crimp bead covers anymore. Maybe I'm old-fashioned, but I like to use them. So I've got some tiger tail. I'm going to cut 12 inches. I think I'm just going to take this large, it's not ideal, it's what I've got available, it's not ideal. I don't know where my clip has gone. Where have you gone? Oh gosh. Okay, it will do the job. It will do the job. Now, if I had some gold tiger tail, that would be even better. You've bought my last reel of tiger tail. If you are new, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I do currently have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend. Now, if you want to use a wire guardian, you can. Well, I am going to need my crimpers for this, so I take my crimp bead, we thread that on. I'm also going to take a jump ring. We then thread back through the crimp bead. Let's pull that up. So there we've got our jump ring, our crimp bead, and that's where I folded it over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the second hole closest to me. So that's the first and that's the second. And this one is going to crimp it together and the strand will be at both sides. So we put it into that second one. We squeeze together. Then we slightly turn it 90 degrees and we go into the first hole and squeeze, and that brings everything together. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my crimp bead cover. Let's pop that over the top, and then I'm squeezing them together. There we go. No, it's still not, it needs to be closed a bit more. No. Okay. So this still moves. Right, now that's on, I'll remove the gigantic clip. And let's pop I'm not going to snip the excess off. So let's just thread a bead. And we'll put both wires through. So let's thread that one on. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I think I'll go for the lighter of the blue. I'm going to use quite a few of these. After every bead, I'm going to use a rhinestone spacer bead. Okay, that's 7 inches. I know there's a lot of spacer beads, I like the look. I do like the look. It reminds me a little bit of a goddess bracelet in a way. So to finish, we are now going to put the lobster clasp. We're going to add a lobster clasp. So first of all, where's my crimp bead? I can't. So we take our crimp bead, thread that on. Now I'm going to take my jump ring. Let's open the jump ring. Thread the lobster clasp. Close that one. And then we're going to thread over the top. So I've threaded on the crimp bead, and then we've got the lobster clasp and the jump ring. So I'm going to thread back over the top through there. Now I'm going to go through the bead. Right, we need to bring this down. Let me just snip a little bit of this wire off. So holding on to this, so just pull on this wire and it pulls it all together. Make sure you're happy with that end. It needs to be pulled a little bit more. There we go. I've got room just to go through another this spacer bead as well. Let's come out this side. Right, now I have to just make sure I'm happy with that it bends. Yes, it bends. So I'm just going to do the crimp bead. So we go into the second and squeeze. See the crimp, and then we turn it. Then we turn it 90 degrees. Crimp again. There we go. Now before I add the cover, I'm just going to snip. I'm just going to snip the wire. Right, let's get that crimp bead cover. I'm now going to take the crimp bead cover, pop it through the crimp bead, and then close. And then I'm going to close. Let me just squeeze that together over these. There's that one. And there's that one. So I do hope you find that useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of tutorial available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. make sure you click on the notification bell. And if you can leave a comment down below, it just helps the YouTube algorithm share my videos out to more people. Thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and as always, happy crafting.